Losing access to your phone or needing to upgrade your device shouldn't mean losing access to your crypto. In this video, we'll show you the one thing that ensures you always stay in control: your 12-word secret key. This is also known as your secret recovery phrase, and it serves as the master key to your Exodus wallet. Every single crypto asset, every private key, and every portfolio you have created in Exodus Mobile is secured by these 12 words, in this exact order. As long as you have this phrase, you will continue to have access to your funds, even if your phone is lost, stolen, or damaged beyond repair. If you haven't backed up your phrase by writing it yet, now is the time. This is a simple process, but make sure you're in a private space with a pen and paper ready. In Exodus Mobile, tap the wallet icon, then swipe down to go to the profile screen. Tap Settings, tap Backups, tap Secret Key. The first time you view your 12-word secret key, you'll see several slides about how to keep it safe. When you get to the end, write your words down exactly as they appear, paying close attention to the spelling and the numerical order. This phrase is the only way to restore access to your wallet. The crucial part is to never share your 12-word secret key with anyone, ever. Exodus support will never ask for it. Anyone who has this phrase can steal all of your crypto. Also, never take a screenshot or store your phrase digitally. That includes note apps, emails, cloud storage, and photos. Write it down and keep it locked away like the valuable it is. If you ever get a new phone or reinstall Exodus, this phrase is how you'll restore access to your wallet. So treat it with care, back it up securely, and you'll always have full access to your crypto, no matter what happens to your mobile device. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to learn more about crypto, click on any of these videos to keep watching.